Welcome back after that brain break. Now you are going to get to show what you learned today about the words portrait and still life. And you see them here. Miss Spears talked about them. And when you have a portrait, remember you saw some portraits in Museum ABC, and you also talked about the lady. Remember, she had the lady who was holding the dog, and you learned that a portrait is a work of art about a person. So in your reading lesson today, to show what you know, you can either choose to create a portrait, and you can use crayons or markers or paints or just your pencil or pen, whatever you want to do. But you're going to either create a work of art about a person, remember that's called a portrait, or you could choose to create a still life. And you talked about with Miss Spears that a still life is a work of art about a group of everyday objects on display. So that just means that you're going to look for something at your house that is still. Remember, it's not moving. It's everyday objects. So anything you see lying around your house, and you could create a work of art about that thing that you see. So you're going to create either a portrait, a work of art about a person. It could be any person that you see at your house. Could be a portrait of you if you want to look in the mirror, but you're going to create a portrait of a person, or you could create a still life. And remember, that's when you're going to look around your house and see if you can find a group of objects to draw or paint. So on this assignment, you can use crayons, markers, whatever art supplies you have at your house. Or you could just use pencils. Sometimes artists choose to just use their pencil and create a work of art. Create a portrait, someone that you see in your house, or a still life, some things you see in your house that are still. So remember, not any moving objects. So probably not your dog, because the dog is probably moving. Probably things that you might see sitting around on a table or anywhere in your room or your house. All right, I can't wait to see the awesome pieces of art that you are going to create today.